Calling all football fanatics and creative minds. Have you ever dreamt of seeing your favorite footballers reimagined as captivating cartoon characters? Well, dream no more. In this video, we'll unveil the magic of Styler AI, a powerful tool that lets you effortlessly transform footballers into stunning cartoon art. So, lace up your creative shoes, subscribe to our channel, and get ready to be amazed. Dive into the world of Styler AI. Head over to Styler AI and either sign in to your existing account or create a new one. You'll be greeted by a treasure trove of creative possibilities. Set your sights on the innocent cutie style. Click on it, and then click Stylerized with it to unlock the cartooning magic. Choose your canvas size and unleash your imagination. Select your preferred canvas size to accommodate your artistic vision. Then, in the text area, type in the name of your favorite footballer, the one whose cartoon likeness you've been yearning to see. Witness the AI artistry come to life. Click on Stylerize and prepare to be mesmerized as Styler AI weaves its magic. In mere moments, you'll see your chosen footballer transformed into a captivating cartoon character, bursting with personality and charm. Explore variations and refine your masterpiece. But the fun doesn't stop there. Styler AI offers multiple variations of your cartoon creation, allowing you to choose the one that perfectly captures your vision. So experiment, explore, and refine your masterpiece until it truly shines. Remember to subscribe for more creative adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and artistic explorations. With Styler AI at your fingertips and our guidance, you can unleash your inner artist and create stunning visuals that will leave you awestruck. So what are you waiting for? Start generating your dream footballer cartoons today and let the creative journey begin. Thanks for watching.